come?
How can I play with that dreadful Quack! 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 Still out there. How can I do that?
I don't know. What sound was I supposed to be making?
Well, it goes like this. Quack! 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 Quack!
That wasn't me. I don't make that sound. Not me. Never. No.
Oh, that's it! Come on, Peep. You, me, the sound. Let's go. Ah! Ow!
Guys,
Shh!
we're listening. For what? We don't know. You're listening for something, but you don't know what it is? It's a sound. It's bothering Quack.
It's horrible. It's like this. Quack! 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 Quack!
Quack? Promise me you'll never, ever make that sound again.